From Bimian, Nagcarlan, and Pila. Hello to each and every one of you. Congratulations in advance for this Sashing and Prescon, isn't it? Napakaganda ng presentasyon. Mahalin ang sariling atin, di ba? Ganyan naman ang Laguna, di ba? You are known to be very patriotic. Aside from being patriotic, what is Laguna known for?
Well, I would say it's people. As you know, our pambansang bayani, Dr. Rizal, came from Laguna, specifically in Calamba City. And it just shows what kind of people Lagunense is because of not just our wisdom, but also our heart to help others.
Ano pa ang may offer mo to each and every one of us to be claimed as the winner of Miss Universe Philippines 2026?
For me, it's the bravery inside me. You know, I'm a very brave woman. You know what? I came to this training alone because I'm very hesitant to reveal na sasali po ako sa Miss Universe Philippines Laguna because I am the first ever representative from our hometown, Nagcarlan. So I think mapapakita ko po sa Miss Universe Philippines Laguna yung pagiging matapang ng isang Nagcarlangin, yung kakayahan po ng Nagcarlangin. At mapapakita ko po yan bilang isang Lagunense also, as a brave woman.
I've heard that there are 3 moms that will be competing here. So, tatlo kayo maglalaban as mom. So, what will make you different? Ano magiging kakaibahan mo sa dalawang mating moms out there? Kasi the 3 of you has the same story. So, what is your story that will make it different from that 2 moms out there?
Actually, sila, meron silang 1 at 2 anak. Ako, meron akong 3 anak. And that will definitely show na mas madami na akong experience, mas marami na rin akong natutunan. Alam ko na ang dapat at hindi dapat gawin. So, for me, yun ang pinagkaiba ko. I'm brave and also I'm pare-pareho naman kami beautiful.
For you, what is the real meaning of Miss Universe Philippines Laguna?
The real meaning of Miss Universe Philippines Laguna is not just someone who can offer the physical attributes that people are looking for. It should be someone who can offer warmth and hospitality to everyone and each with different backgrounds. And I always believe that this is something that Miss Universe, not only Miss Universe Philippines are promoting, but also the Miss Universe itself.
Ang magiging Miss Universe Philippines Laguna po is yung kindness po, yung pagiging mabuti pong tao. Dahil para po sa akin, ang Filipina in Laguna is very kind and they always show the love and care to other people. So I think ito po yung magiging dala-dala po natin palagi, yung kabaitan po natin sa loob po, hindi lang po sa labas, sa loob din po.
I believe that the real definition or the meaning of Miss Universe Philippines Laguna is she is brave, she is smart, and also she is unique. And I also believe that she is confidently beautiful with a heart. Thank you. And I believe I am one of Filipina in Laguna. Thank you.
We don't know, di ba? May the stars be aligned for you, Pila Laguna. Of course, sa kay Nagcarlan at Binyan, congratulations in advance for making this far. May you win one of the crowns here. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.